10 new updates just shipped in Designer, so here's what's new. You can now pin projects so that your most active ones will show up right here for easy access. Just hover over that project and click the Pin Project pin. Done with a project? Now you can archive it. It's out of the way, but not gone. Jump to any project instantly with a new search. Click on it or use a shortcut Command K, which will bring up the new command palette. And here you can do just about anything. So let's search for a project and press Enter to open it. Let's go Command K and create a new blank frame. We've also introduced a new contextual palette, so whenever something is selected, just hit the / key. There's a bunch of quick tools you can use in here. The most frequent one that I use is Ask to Edit. This gives you quick access to your agent right here, and you can just start typing your prompt here. Design a login page. We've added a Lottie animation picker. So Lottie now gets the same picker as images, search, URL, and assets tab with an animated grid preview that plays as the results are loaded. So here I'm searching for a Swiss geometric abstract animation, and I can select any one I want. Beautiful. We've also added the SVGL brand logo library. Search thousands of brand logos from SVGL right inside the command palette. So if you search for SVG and browse, you could search for any brand, select it, and add to assets. Then select it wherever you select assets. Your AI prompt history now lives in the command palette. Just search prompt, select your prompt history, and your prompts will be faster to find, faster to reuse. We've upgraded our agent to handle multiple things at once. Generate several frames, nodes, and components in a single run. The result, dramatically faster multi-element workflows. Lastly, you can now compose and share polished shots of your designs in a few clicks. Come down here to Edit Layout, and you can select which screens you want, your template layout, and when you apply, you're ready to share on socials. So make sure to share with us because we'd love to see what you're building. That's 10 updates, all live today, and we'll see you in the next video.